Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and now let's tap on the settings icon. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so in order to add new one, just tap on add keyboard, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick something, for example Assyrian. Simply tap on the one you want to use. If you can choose the region, just tap on the one you want to apply, and here we've got the keyboard options. If you will have one, you will be able to choose something from them. If you are ready, tap on done, and as you can see, our new language has been added to the list successfully. So let's get back to the keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got two differences. So first of all, we've got the new icon, globe icon, and on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So now I'm typing English, as you can see, but after tapping on this globe icon, I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. It is also notified on the spacebar. Let's tap on this globe icon again, and again I can type in English. So actually this is how to change the language in your Xiaomi. Now let me show you how to remove the language if you need only one of it, for example. Simply go back to the settings, tap on languages, and click on this edit icon. As you can see, now we can choose the one we want to remove, so simply tap on it and click on this trash bin icon. Let's get back. And as you can see, the globe icon simply disappeared, and from now on I can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.